Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video because I tried to look this up online. I couldn't find anywhere. So I'm rebuilding my trim and tilt. And one thing I had issues with is I needed to replace the manual lowering unit as it's corroded and it's about to snap. So I went ahead and ordered a new part, but the biggest issue I had was actually removing it from the housing right here. And basically what you have to do is this will be inside like so, and you'll have this release pin here. So what we're looking at here actually is if you look at your trim and tilt, here's your full trim and tilt. This is this piece here, and this is the manual lowering piece. So I went ahead and ordered this piece right here to get it replaced. And one issue I had was after I removed the pin, I was having issues trying to get this guy out. So what I did was I sprayed it with some penetration oil. I let it sit for a little bit. And once you remove this release clip, you're just gonna unscrew this counterclockwise. Mine got stuck, so that's why I was a little worried. I didn't want to snap it, but with a little bit of force, I was able to just go ahead and unscrew it all the way. It slides out like that. Make sure all the seals are still connected and nothing's in the hole. I'm gonna spray this out with some cleaner now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put in this brand new part, make sure everything's lubed up, and put in a new retaining clip because this one is all chewed up. So that's just a quick thing. All you have to do is remove this retainer clip and unscrew this counterclockwise. Be very careful. There are people that will snap this. So if yours is still in a place where you can unscrew it, just be gentle because then you will have to drill it out, and that gets a little sketchy because if you do scratch anything in here, you basically will not be able to seal it, and then this piece right here just becomes trash. So, yep. If you have any questions, just comment below.